Hello students, this is Dr. Williamson. Welcome to your independent study course, NU 583. This is a 3-semester hour course. For this independent study course, your assignments are to look at the modules and complete the 6 modules that are under the assignments tab. And so as you'll see here, I'm under the assignments tab here. So you'll see that there are 6 that you will complete. When you complete each of these modules, you have a link here to each one. When you click on this is going to take you to the University of Albany, and you will first complete the zoonosis, preparedness, and public health module. When you complete that, then you will upload the certificate here to the submission area right here, and you will submit the certificate only. It's just a certificate, and it'll have your name from where you registered for the course and you have completed that module. It'll have the date on the certificate when you've completed it. When you have finished it, you'll move on to the next one. Your basic emergency preparedness for staff of community health facilities. And then when you've completed it, you'll upload your certificate here. You can do that one of 2 ways. If it's easier for you, just save it to your computer as a file, and then you can attach it here when you go to your submission link here when you've done this. So you'll just work your way through this. You'll see that there's 6 modules here. They're all the way down, and you have for each one, you have a submission link. So here's the submission link for the 4th one. Here's the submission link for the 5th one. And here's the submission link for the 6th one right here. So you'll see at the bottom, this is where you access. You have your link that will open to give you access to each of these modules where you'll complete the certificate course. And it will take anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours, sometimes a little bit longer, to complete each module. And then you will, like I said, submit each module showing that you've completed it. When you have completed all 6 of these modules, you'll send me and uploaded the certificates. You will send me an email and let me know that you've completed all 6 of those, and I'll go in and I'll review your certificates just to make sure everything's in order, and then I will assign your grade. So it will be an A if you complete all of your modules, all 6 modules, before the end of the semester. And so look at the academic calendar and make sure that you complete the coursework by the end of the academic calendar. Some people like to set aside a time to go ahead and do one a week, do a module a week, and so in 6 weeks you will be completed. That's not a requirement. As long as you have it completed by the end of the semester due date, then that will be fine. And so, like I said, look at the academic calendar and see when the date is for that. So I won't be interacting a lot with you in this course because, like I said, it is an independent study. But if you have any questions, my contact information is found here. And you'll see my email address is here for me, Dr. Williamson, and so you can contact me and let me know if you have a question. Also, as I said, when you complete the course, be sure that you send me an email here and let me know that you've completed it. So I wish you all the best, and I'll be looking forward to seeing your successful completion.